Yantiasi. Say, let me hear interview. Say, over years with the net. What was your expectation? What would you say? Because I have realized, say, at the title parentia, a G years to do. Sadly, you know, nipa pii enye away. Enti ama the ehwehwe free rade hono ne de rade so epese oye maye no. I say a bulb that so always there's confusion. I'm a pay ye kasafa the mystery of Jesus resurrection. And then you link it upon the church. The mystery of Jesus' resurrection link with the church. Because Jesus se obi sina safo. Se obi sit na bia male papa nti no ba biase. Jesus came to this world. You can say he came to die for mankind. It is true. But I will say it children, which man? All those who want to Jesus to build them or prepare them for God to house them. And I say, nipe once as isu nina won edi onhuama say onyankopon emfa won nye na botai on the Yesu muji onka. Yesu muja eye adwuma pa ba ni obi an Yesu muja eye adwuma. The ones who talk now, there are people who have died and gone to hell. So me can say every human being or a potential house of God, but not all will become house of God. Jesus na ba no osakan e no be me catch Pharisee for no say mo born so now what me can say you too you shine outside but the inside is full of dead man bones. And then they know catch them say you walk from sea to land looking for one proselyte, and when you find some you make him twice a child of hell like yourselves. So Jesus never told us say obia. So Yesu so oba asase so a oba be kire yin said you onipa etimi yetna bia me Nyankopon. 2 Yesu be kire practical said you onipa etimi transit enyini ko Nyankopon tibia mo enka bi. That human being can grow into the full stature of God. Jesus came to teach us this. Yesu ebe kyerɛ Onyankopɔn tumadan a yaka ho asɛm aka na abedu dispensation a afei Nyankopɔn tumadan no ne faako a ɔsi ni pa tamaduru so. And Jesus came to show us sɛdeɛ onipa otimi ɛma ne ho kwan na ɔgye nsiesie ɔgye ntiteɛ na Nyankopɔn ne ne honhom ɛtena. Where your concept of our real Exodus 25. Exodus 25. The mystery of Jesus resurrection. The mystery of Jesus resurrection. Exodus 25 verse 8, 9, 10.
Exodus 25 verse 8, 9, and 10. And let them make me a sanctuary, that I may dwell among them, according to all that I show thee, after the pattern of the tabernacle, and the pattern of all the instruments thereof. Even so shall ye make it.
What? And to all say in that dispensation, no, because of say Nyankopon wa program necessary. Until that time, no, afena adwen pa Nyankopon wo and no Nyankopon akoma. The heartbeat of God is not evangelism. The heartbeat of God is to build his dwelling in man. But if we don't go and win a soul, we don't have a place to build. But the heartbeat, it is not just winning a man, because if you win a man and that man will not become the house of God, it is not necessary. Nti no kra no e was ka ukọ evangelist say o ka chere say fry already free Yakobon do be netra. On say most leaders in the churches no yen hwe ho say Onyankopon friends say or try mu. Nti on say all review the mind na chere Moses. So ya ka chere mo say Moses okoje mbra but mbra no fitia no asembra. O sembra ade bi hombra ene ye de be ene ye say for example saware ye hombra e bi ye de na kopon aware mbra bi be no sefa
ba mbra no house she
e mbra o so entete wota hombra se o so be ware because ade ntie ye bo aware to no ye yi ade konesi nche nto bi ati wa Embra bako wa aware no say oba ne be ma no muka bom de bako they should become one. They should become one. All because say aware eye onipa honhom ne Yakobon honhom afra a wontim titi eno no hwe so e de aware bae enti Jesus pass as so on say the say Moses wakoje sabi yesisi tena bia ma Yakobon tena ena waje ho mra ehon de be mra ehon mra Ghana ministries no omo mra wo unum se Ghana person oton ade a e bia wo crackers cars no mo wi so atom beton ye wo mra eda ho hwe Ghana ho se instructions nka say ye duma pa ni pebe ko prison no ni pebe ko prison won unum se Ghana ye pese ma contract na se afa anko amian bedi I don't know who come obi shooter ya wadi wabumra so me se Ghana se ye ka say ye dembre ye dwuma Ghana for be ko prison no ye mbodo be no ahasa ne nam kabucha ka odem sha me see now on say well say we are saying the word is in battle but Yakobon yes we be there nti we am from akoma to me law will be law, justice will be justice ye wade bi ahomra enti obi a oye nipa boni ni no oye obi a embra edade no wan fa so afa de no oye nipa boni ni oba so ware Teresa unko hu ni parents na on nada oye nipa boni for embra emma kwan say oba ne be ma betina hiem be wo na wo yiri anawo nu kunko a empokora ware ye mu no netam bia na betu no yiri stem eyembra because so we mbra no free wa ade ani ho so Jesus bas asiso no say Moses edi kan ye de na to ani na popo che ne se onye tena bia ma no metem sa kan bi ma me
Exodus 25 verse 8. And let them make me a sanctuary, that I may dwell among them.
And let them make me a sanctuary, that I may dwell. You didn't use I
may.
It's a condition. You know why? Because if you do not do it according to his standard, you won't come. And in order not to blame God, say, who can see and sit down, sometimes I will be yes, I am. That's how Casso made any guy. I didn't get a Casso be dinner. But what child may be a cotono. Now, because I didn't tell you that. Young woman, you are godly people, you know. You never enough some basa. One more be a name of Uku. One Musano, and I'm not your first. Now, you see, Uku by was the same media watching. No, both. Rice. I watch it, any jollof rice, Nina rice. Nina rice. Nina rice. Sa o so to ni Abigail mu nyina mo ye. Nti wo ba na wo kuro fa Abigail. Say no akoma no ato. Say every woman will be human. Because of say na mo nya God people.
Oh say.
Ti na sa wo ba na o house boy. Wo na o yere nyam. Oh, na say every man who is married.
He is married matter.
And yama wo nyina na akotwa amane abre no. Nyankopon se Adam. Say bia ba we eni. What did God say? Don't do what? Don't eat it. Let me tell you the consequence of it because I don't want to hide anything. If you eat it, you will surely die. Mekoramika surely. How dangerous it is for God to tell you that when you eat this, you will surely die. Then somebody come to tell you when you eat, you will surely die. And Mara one day no tell us ampe, Anas ampe, George ampe, me ampe, and so part the chrono. One never so is kenwa. Why never so is kenny? But don't be so many brasso. Now, boom, brasso, yasika, you are in danger. One of my Rakas and Papa, you are not what you are. Musun come now, one in a pop on Fanama. Over 3 years, we say. Now, this Adam one in Pabolino. One will boom, brother, son. So far, dear, no. Every 2 Moses now. What do you mean? Because bad you so. Who said, I'll pocket Moses said, a domino. Moses come to okay. Speak to the rock, water will come and let them drink. A quan will boom, papa, a by an asama. There is a bit of fun changes car. It's only by. A by. O man, no me. Then you see it. Sunday, no. And I saw you to say, so won't put your cup on brasso. No, I'm fat, baby. Jai. Tell what the way. What the way. Munkachi.
Most of them just me no. It's a you know you move. Namonya Namanya Tinabia Concro Mammy.
Ma on not not be a concro and mammy.
Namintina woman.
Namintina womu. Wow, and I did Embra. So people so he can go Portabia as all the trassi. And near Bako. And I did Embra. So we see a go Portabia as all the trassi. Tell you, there's a law. What this one? A man with me yet Trabia Manacopon. Anna, ye one law swa. So we ain't go Portabia Antino, as all the year. What it's us. Sadia we, or we are the physical. Monko 40-33 coming. 40 as I was one. Monentum. The resurrection of Jesus. Tenio. Yes, who sorry. Yes, who sorry. And no, who did yes, who did. Let's say, yes, we are sorry. I'm going to be in. And I say, what you so be only conformed to me. Says you, yes, we are one sorry. Only any human being is bad. But say, yes, we are sorry. And a mystery because. Nipa bia no wo wu a wasori but the actual resurrection no different from resuscitation no wo be come hospital no be da 7 years ana mo sie no wo mu yi na so ontimi nya pe o mo so kokoma o se nipa ne babaka obu akọ people na so se owu de na ko sa fridge no sa sorry yes e owu sorry yes ana be ka no. But oh, sorry, and body ben or sorry. So only Pabia who sorry, on flat on body may be. Some of our terrorists and Sapa, Fabro, Aucodia. Also, dear Bruno. 6 months now, 3 months now, go to Bruno. They would dear one, but they would try and see a group. That is resurrection. And not the yes, soon, Kwane was sorry. That is a reason why. That is a reason why we believe Jesus. As He is the only way to God. Yes. He is the only truth.
Yes.
Hey, there is no two God, one God. And Tiana Munya said, it is the only way to Jesus or to God. Ye need being couple. de obi ansom ne de e wo he adere e ba ko pe enti mo me nyina nya meeting ya hwem ne hu no kore no na wo ma dia mo ye se obi ka asam kire wo ho na wo ka so na si atwa no Matthew Exodus 25:8 oh na sa Bible na be kotu me Bible no nyindi na wo so nya wo de no wo unya wo de no wo he de wo be ka kire wo nya no wo he. Where did you get it from? And tell me, you know, you're a godly person. What makes you godly is when you accept what God said. Abraham, no, you're godly. Dear, when you're sometimes some people say, me Bible no dear, na say Bible na go to Bible they say, you be history book, patrol. You be history book. Mejitum. Now what's all the idea be? And I would want to free we are. Over here no go to or no so there actual. Now who would the idea but so this someone so the idea book papa. Patrol. Be patrol. Dia wo ka wo na free hifa. Wo na free him. Na sabi the Adolf Hitler kraka ya twato. And ono no his so we ono ka bi nipa poni ni bi no se Christian no ase nso ya be ko na ebusa which year did Idi Amin o yetu no dey so mo kan say when which year was Idi Amin ko so na wato ababa no boy ababa papa be boy enam say ya pese be sua Nyankopɔn ti no ade hunu bi a na esua no ade. Huh? Your problem. Big problem. Oba catch him say, me I don't believe the Bible. You don't believe the Bible, maybe. Na some believe in thing they become wounded. But do you believe that you are quoting from? Who believe you? I don't believe any other book except the Bible. Bible maybe an intro with Kramijidi. Now listen to me. Anas, do you believe Jesus resurrected? You know what it will do for you? If you believe that Jesus resurrected, the resurrection of Jesus opened way for Gentiles also to be able to become the children of God. The resurrection of Jesus opens eternal life to Gentiles. Na eternal life ni nyina nsa woni nyame yomayo. New earth numpo onyame yomayo ne de ko. Tree of life no onyame yomayo a doso. And the throne of God no onyame yomayo doso pa. So wherever you want to spend eternity, you must protect the nature of God. Yes. You must have godliness. Godliness, you know, school be anyone in school. Who do university? Yeah, born super be cause apart from godliness. Me boy. Just do as on them dey nichi. Yes. Who do school e late. Yeah. And so ko sua preko ho niam. Who ko sua se dey work pani. Be e late. Ye need your classroom. And so ko sua se dey work pani. Oba asafo mu a ye be ye onyame yoma ye ho. Dey nichi. Adia ye chie onipa yo nipa sam ye ya boa mana nipa ye nipa ne ye nyiri ko nipa tiba na say yi fro because wherever we are projecting humanism, godliness will not be there, and wherever we are projecting godliness, humanism cannot talk. And interna na kwani do say here say yesu be dia 1,000 years we na every no boa dia ho ya kan be ye adwuma yesu aka sa say yesu odi ada na so oni ade. Yes. One here for the idea. Now, asama Yesu aka no, wo mo asesa no, se wo se beto rapture, okopere o. Wajaware, waware fofo. Yesu be dia de 1,000 years not waba. Now wo ba na se, me yere enya problem na Yesu George be siesia. Wo be kare. Obeka chere say obeka chere say oh da bia wode jaya ne abra wo de wo bra wo from ya wo jaya wode na wo de wontima anya wo de beso ame na Yesu na ka kire si di kai wo di ansa na ko yobi de wa wo tie bibia obi agya ware a wo sa ware fofo ko obi nya mo nyina rapta mo nka wo na wo support sa ade na nka ko be say pastor se na mamoya mo nsisi mo because ye tete nipa ntina se say ye beturu ba bia aware a ye wore da be ma na onipadua na ope onipadua hwa onipadua na ope ompa honhom timi amba se beti ho afri nipadua ho bibia ye no honam nti say no the word beautiful no abaya honam ade nti ka ma ho ofe e ma ho ofe ye ma wo suro awurade be na wo de ye. Now listen, when Jesus resurrected, we are talking about resurrection. We are not talking about obi a wo was about body ye mo bi. Yes, who sorry and was sorry with a different body. Some call them one body now. Uma de cloth from the tree, yes. Or born in a way. Born in a way in the total Hebrew culture. So we bought to and Thomas Atoa, I guess, or Kobasama. Or we born Thomas Atoa. Now will be a Hebrew nipa and I said, or Koto said, there's no P, or could be in the Nanda, or what Santos, or the Sobasama. Yes, import after resurrection. The what happened in the tomb, tells those who entered that Jesus said he's coming back. Now, you see, when you don't believe, it doesn't matter because it will not change anything. Jesus is coming back. We will see Jesus. He is coming back to this world. Ghana will be Ghana, America will be America. Mpesetia will be there, Kukum will be there. So that time, Teresa Tiasia, you know who Teresa. Yes, you be there. Naja David, the Hingman, or Betraso, or Betran Jerusalem. No what dear dear, but no one call anybody idea. Only one more, only yes to say. Oh, no one say.
Yes, to say.
Not you. Sanka, yes, we are the one sorry. Kawomi number. And yes, who sorry, you know. I'm the hope. The hope of Jesus' resurrection to the church. From the day Jesus was resurrected, Gentiles begin to jubilate. Not because of money.
No.
But the access to become God has been open for us.
Exodus 40 verse 33. And he ran up the court round about the tabernacle
and he ran up the court about the tabernacle
and the altar
and
set up the hanging of the court gates. So Moses finished the work.
Moses did what?
Finished the work.
Which work? Shall Moses you? One would know it. Betra na da ho na fa wiase no ene ye adwuma pesika nko na obi aye men kase ye hia sika wo ba yam go kan sika wo New Jerusalem enya wo sika no ne ye di ko wura ho onyame yoma yo onyame de be
Yoma.
na wonim de se nwa ye no menim santikas mo abo ene ye hu waba they say waba ba ye de one for one man, one yamba, the Yania. One much my yama, wouldn't say, and cat, baby a year, maybe. Mind of God, no. How to become God and you're eating to a human. Says on the way. Yamaway, you do 12 hours, 8 hours, Dobanya is come one. Moses found one way. Moses finished the work, so Moses was he working or he was not working?
He was working.
What was his work?
Building the tabernacle of God.
Are you working?
Yes, I'm working.
What work?
Teaching children.
What can Moses do? Take out there. Now make us say, "Oh, corrupt child." Hey, Pastor, what did you mean? Me na me judge. Did Moses work?
Yes.
Was Moses working?
He worked.
What was he working?
He built the temple of God.
He built the temple of God. Are you working?
Yes, I work.
What work?
I teach and build the temple of God.
The power. The power. Temple of God is here.
Yeah,
Muslim. That is not work. Work. Say Moses no yet man. Na Moses yet man. Ajuma oye and say the first person to be able to build the house of God. Moses, that idea no. She bi Moses say hon kom. Job mu na ka hon sam. But in reality pa Moses no we. Tabernacle. Na tabernacle minim say Moses ko heaven ko hu tabernacle temple wa. Me hu ade hu ya obesi sa de no from ya. Because according to Bible see there was no temple there in New Jerusalem, no temple. Say Nyankopon na de ho kire no. And no watch and say, me na me temple. But this am sin say man. Because moment yes be a temple wa Nyankopon. O ka mo se debi ha. Temple ni Nyankopon.
Nyankopon ni temple.
The temple is what the monk can say boa. Revelation 21:22. Revelation o ka ho dia.
Verse 34. Then a cloud covered the tent of the congregation, and the glory of the Lord filled the tabernacle. And Moses was not able to enter into the tent of the congregation.
Why?
Because the cloud abode thereon, and the glory of the Lord filled the tabernacle.
To Smisi. Satan we. Yes, see the Hunam be seen with people. Passes Nedmani. The intent of find the person to my Moses name. The intent of find holy of Nibazalia Mama Moses name. The reason why the ministry has called you and couple of fraud the materials of Christmas said the boy means in Yankopo temple. This time it will nip him. Who do us? To me, read as a temple. Ya be no asopa ya ho saa. Tese me nemu ndam nya. You say do be a pay aware. For temple na asopa aware. Some of the my answers because you want to lose. If you want to bring one from yourself for temple. For temple na aware.
Already.
What na aware de ni ya. Aware o musa. No me ni. Open temple and also power. To go to Subaco. The better enemy now.
It's 2 years it is
and what if you about my temple?
Was it there?
It's 2 years it is Ukraine. It's in a clear with you of one thing.
Now, it's the cranium and then
There be a temple, no. Now we are. I see one.
Nabio, and yes, how? I never accompany a one academy the mount. Onama de bien you walk.
Yes.
Onama de bien until no one call warrior or moko pen man ma hono or mummy. Onama de bien you walk. Until your mamma open was at open temple no, and that's open for number one again up
temple.
Open temple now. Then I also could maybe I will temple no. And teach Nima way, no more let me a temple no. A budget of the temple near the mount. Dear new woman, dear piano, not that passa, and I say, Medidi, that be your windy. Yes, the temple woman, here. The things that will make you become the temple at the mount. I can't. Mountains on the Mamuya sensation on them from no. See about Kuru, no chrono, or name anything about the temple, Yabobia. Na curse in here, Dianas. What is curse? Curse in your hell. Curse in your lake of fire. And anybody who does not become the temple of God is under curse, is going to the lake of fire. So how many be? Obu ha oba oton cheno. Oni anything about the house of God dunia yet oko one. Onna kwapam. Na yesu be dem yesu se oka e bia ye na tia ne befa na hwa na de ye chance mo ye bi. Sak we so opa temple na so opa aware.
The temple and the cardiac.
No, and that possible say, you will be a sukum. A man dear, because or baby, and can hit notice on call, but never money. Uncle, you should never man or call, no quantity. Didn't know Bema. Didn't know Mama Bema. Or Becunia upon my information about What about my Bible? No, what I call wouldn't me at it. I go back when I go on my Diaba. And then I'm one say, I'm going to do your mom, but I'm sorry. Oh, I drum so you. I said, you have to be too kind. More kind. He said, oh, move to that. Why not so that I would take an hour for you or call you to the summer? You must be American. And I saw that I said, now, I say, call your American visa. Now, you didn't yank it. That's all I have because of the biggie. Come the devil. I more satisfied sexual desires. So go for these things are not part of life. Because certain things go on. And I did this with a reference to that Opekuna. Opekuna bet me a couple of years. What do you have the idea? And as a person who should be the end of them. You can't get much of a queen or so. There's some fridge now or poor. Nobody has seen you. Nyankopon. Mama says one of cousin Nyankopon that this was funny. Say, and your man, but one what way Nyankopon. And then no book out. Tinyankopon your mouth be a could say, who couldn't find hello. When you want to offer, nothing for Nyankopon. Nyankopon will be a year. Because I will need to be a for Nyankopon and the mouth. Me what? So we hear on pet things of God. Nyankopon man come da. Nyankopon man come. Amma yere. Abra only many thing about God. Ne Nyankopon try to us a part of flower edge. And I'm what you say. I love be some 82. Some 82 ask how dear.
Revelation 21:22. And I saw no temple therein.
What it? Final day no temple.
For the Lord God Almighty.
For the Lord God Almighty.
And the lamp at the temple of it.
And the lamp at the temple to Musa's moon. Say lamp na hono. Meaning it has to be elevated. But you, say me checking lamp no. So we had lambwa. And more munina on the ekuma. Or your mount. A born in and it's a Teresa lambwa. So being born as what in Moby. So I lambwa. Unto me a coney. Because conform was some aspect of vengeance in them. Fantifua was some aspect of vengeance in them. As Antifua was some aspect of vengeance in them. Kusasi for one dear, Abrafo woman dear, and before woman dear. Asians woman dear. Also, or go back to a mira. I thought, look at the fact, the way I necessarily have been to Casso, I will lose my temper on you. I just had some aspect of vengeance. But answer a metro in an upper band, this will be a lamb. The lamb will not be out. Lamb will not, aye, or beer, and answer or nipper beer. Ultimately, and kill it to anything. Santibiano, and I come, and Sana or Yango Portman is what do you? Now, this Jesus, who I preach to you, became a lamb before he was able to go into the state of God. So the word lamb means to be elevated, to raise up. And the Moses caution, Okoshe Yango the temple chair. So what the temple in the channel, so what the Yango chair. And the Moses be you, we are in Yango will be with us. And in Yango better. Sadio Moses, yes, you have a physical. And us, yes, you go on by you. Yen in Yango is hard you in a body. Now, so born in Tino, or ye in a woman and ye. What's the answer? For all have sunk and have fallen short of the glory of God. Modi who never by your glory. Shall say Yango Pama Kuna. Not to say, although the calendar muno, a crowd of us obey your Yango Pabano, or Mount of a man count. But is it the sex? Support Buffalo sex into the moment to be our patrol. And can you mock any pound? Kakaya, Sasana Poka. I don't want a candy pound. No one is a Sakata Bayan Kadias or no. I don't want a candy pound. Can you mock candy pound? And you can pop because I don't want to be our. But on here, I did not party.
My family na broso.
No so okay. I don't want to know. I have to obi amare. But na say do won kan nipa. Nyankopon say o de hwe at the end of the day no. Bibia Nyankopon boss say yemfa ma ni Kristo no. Say o wi a obeseni nyina. Obeseni nyina omfa baako. Diamond that was asu so. Ebia ye de bi ye niema ahwahwa ye ho. Be Nyankopon fa baako kora na omma okwan so na wo so mfa baako kora anko. Hwe eni me bu Nyankopon ye bio. On say Israel foko Jericho say on go kono. Nyankopon ka tell say kro no bia fa bia wo. Wouldn't go there. A country like Jericho at that time, because Jericho means a moon city. On Maya or Motimaya war, and Pompon so to me fast to America. A chakron was here. They were rich. As I was meant for the Biaho. My one year lot in the area. Or say her, made only example. Mumpian Filcum, Mamma family Pia. Now, then my Abraham need lot, Nimpa for normal. Diana.
But when
you're quite never been in it, I don't want to go Romuku. Nyanko was a lot. One no year. Mamma first see your Chromia. Nina preachers to us. Yet, whatever, and that's a person was on your head. Tamwa Bema Homa here. I had Tamwa Bema to Konyakoponuko Diaba. So on to me, qua or any day. You know your carpenter who call it fire. I don't know. No one away. When you want to survive them, ye bo be say on me at the major, ye be Konyakopotium. Ye bo say, but no be near a big up or then you call Yakopotium. To the woman and any because the years old didn't qua. Let me know you could have us ever know. Only the qua.
teach him.
Dog was possible. Then Yankopon say, for by me were all things created, whether they be visible or invisible, whether they be thrones or whether they be thrones or dominions, principalities or powers, all things were created by him and for him. So God created all things to become who? To become he God. So when all things is given to me, I should become God. So if people are giving me all things, but I cannot become God, then something has happened. Because at the end of the day, Solomon said, as somebody anything, fear the Lord thy God and do all his commandments, because God will bring everything to judgment. God never created us to come and live in this world. Nampacho, you read Christ in tea, and you offer me. Just a class with you, Nakopandum, what don't you? So, among disagree, step in the place. Now, when we say, so we being godly figures to someone, and we have somebody on the check. Now, the bad dear Namiko Coyentia, and if I want to check. Dear Namiko Coyentia, Menum didn't come with never. Now, maybe 200 million. Was over 50 Ghana. Was young Cabo. Now there is minimum evidence. But because I want to be God. So the sufferings of life is because of godliness. If you don't want to become godly, no suffering. Tell me for energy, son. Tell me another single song. Now some person you're godly. I was you. You always cry. Come said Lot. Or no Lot in Paul. Lot now near Abraham Nante Kakrano. One of some of the little ethics now, I know, who says they see a godly person, no, or see no no of our son and no of now not on Timothy National Guru, but in the Tramontain. But was all take Senacoma into a peerful combat Tramontain. I want to see above one. Jesus was sorry and us. Say, dear, a conya piamount, Tibose. And they didn't know where they want to never talk about. Wait here, you're boss because now Teresa can become like God. I'm not meant to say you, or meant to me a Konyanko Portuguese. Yes, so what's on here? Yes, yeah, Genetti, godless and come. Until that I'm woefy, hey, or catch him some nimby. Wait, there will catch us out to me in the upper bar, and there's some soup. And there's a global for bar. And the bofu and my 8 years minute wait. No more come out crowd on more day, Busomo. Because the word husband means what? Coefficients. What's of canon?
I know my beauty meal. Onyankopon and Yankopon Asafu.
What? Asafu na hefa Asafu. Nyankopon jina Nyankopon Asafu. I know where they be.
He
He judges among the gods. Listen to me. After Jesus died and rose again, now prove to us sorry no, and as now you can become God. Also Psalm 82
Yes.
Psalm 82 was a prophecy of Asaph. Jesus quoted it in John 10, verse 33 to 35. He quoted it. Asaph, Psalm 82 was not written by David nor Solomon. It was written by Asaph, a prophetic utterance. God stands in the congregation of the mighty and he judges among the gods.
That one gods no. You can't say obi a God that's one year. You can't obi a next upon them. And it's obi upon them on your crew. Obi upon them on sorry. Obi upon them on near. To when you are somebody present to be so, but all this for the 2 years. Now, hey, who are catchy? Why not catchy? Because the one point to me can't try and say, he judges among the gods. If somebody is a husband, he is a head, he is a lord, he is a ruler. If somebody is an MP, he is a ruler. Sure, one more puts a who pay MPs now. Ulu some namu sembra. No matter what you know. What they say we humra. Na Yesu twam. Suppose humra. Na kasa ade ne ye kra on baye ye anya so nti ye sambra ne tax o mo sa ade bia hu ska ne ade ade bia hu ska ne ade wa o to Yesu ho. One of the danger positions in life is to become a head. Pastor is dangerous. The most dangerous is the pastors, because na open oh you do am hwentia Fulani for they are typical example. Fulani is a pastor. But Fulani biano, no one named Jane who will be named you. Into what Nanchino qua Nanchino, Tenio, Omun Fulana, someone named Jura. What you say? I wouldn't name Jane and Fulani no one, named Jure. The name Jure, Fulana, and so named Jura. And to all send me a yes, what family. Send me now, send me to be a near my Yamaka who young open.
So we
Caretaker. Nananchiano and Yamidio. Nanso so, a job I some yen say. I was semi copper a Diane, Eman and Jenya Day. Why Diane? A Juma Nanchia and Diane, the Fulani forno. One of the Nanchians are not that copper Diana or no pay. I'm an impure. Into Nancho Better Hankasa. Over Wine.
Fulani.
Over Buhine.
Fulani.
Then they come so.
Fulani.
Send them share about Bajana Nasuna.
Big gunning.
So Nanchera Neba, Nanchel Bajana Nasuna. So Fulani Bobajana Nasuna. Wakasa higher. Then Nanchel was a casa higher than Chelmeti. But all past Sanina upon one only one so. In some of 70 Choma Gradeno. They say a kid of opinion Nagopo. And until a Monday in the dressing co, Sunday in the dressing co. Only more sort of crime, but you don't know the way to Jesus. But Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. Nobody, and us, someone Jesus will need. Oh, butter. Oh, Pastor, hey, you need 2 ways to God. You need to go from you. Now, I'm going to go you. Mommy, I'm going to go you. Now, there are 2 ways to Trimodano. No mercy in the final day of judgment. Trimodana Budino, and I see in here soon, Yamako, and then a crap. Yamako Pano, a crab Bako person, and no so no. Yanni Kwame and Sa, I am the way, and the way is Jesus.
Amen.
The life is Jesus.
Yes.
And the truth is Jesus. So, Yamako Bakopadia, and the Yesu can yes, because Yamako Nagasanga, Nidini Yesu, the person and Yamako. Nangopo ni ere na oye was ukosu adwuma wonu sa adwuma wura ne ba adwuma na ukosu yan nyansa ide adwuma wana wo ma adwuma wura tunu sa adwuma wura ne ba no nyansa wade ma wo en na eche wo se gesie fo nti wo ye biara sa hwan ba no still obi tin ko hia o masa mi hia brante bi se na wo si adwuma se be Abrante be so akwatenti tete bi kokobisa any fancy no Kenya say oh okay maka Alex
what's the federalist? Oh, me ban on channel. Say, and the head man. Send them upon the banner of your Christo. Jesus. As a fuck Christo in your upon Aden. And to obey Piana or Biagin Juice in the Bacobano. Macadas or Mau. Lucky to be or Mau. Bob Marley or Ma. Peter Touch or Ma. What touch you?
No, see, it's a written in the
Davana was celebrating Bob Marley.
and right.
Jim Gibby.
Almost say, and right in the day. The birthday was it.
Oh, we have many years.
I check.
I'm not going to be a no very good. What pro? But I cheer or won't talk as a son. I won't go fully. Come go Nima. Nemawe. Meaning coming in Cosi Prat. Nibano. Oh, yes.
Back.
I will be a 10 year old. Yes, son. I cheer on the bar and sound young point when you want them. And to be an just I did too, no, obeying young papa. I don't need a woman to give birth for. Now, come on now, yes, nobody. Chassa about Wissam, Ayoba. What's why you need? I call gentleman across as an open Muslim, Ayoba. I can tell you now, summer, honey, Herod, Casa Church, can you open them from our way? Just if I would that, yes, send them out. That's right. Sir, I can't obi and your master is so. Nipana Sergeant or Woo, you know. So, obi just Sergeant to one. Not signing Bakona by signing Papa. We ain't in a number of God doesn't need a woman to give birth. Yeah. Your problem. No, how can God give birth? Now you're not for me was who never heard so just a kind. We are one. What about the Patricia will be possible to Habana? Oh, about the so good to hear me, and can so be once and yes, you know. Obama for far came for the Bonabra, there's a woman because I will, and I said, I'm breaking now. Auntie, Pambano, can you? I was look at the names up. What you never cry. Obama answer, I saw what you look to.
You want me to man channel?
Too sure. Listen, after Jesus' resurrection, and we are son has now been given to mankind. That's right. Because yes, who's sorry and said, what has happened is that I can now become godly and then I can sit on the throne of God. Contestants does contestants. Trust.
Na ba na mbabu ntanchia.
What I mean no. Tinyako bod na cheja pan. Enti se say no. Say yamba kwan na ye nyanyame a. Onfe media de bi. Enti de na Yesu be di no. One nyame na eba. Na na se Yesu wo sori no. Say Yesu mo sori ya me catch so in aduma. What do you mean that door was now after Jesus died and rose. That was Yesu we and king and the curtains in the house of the on the third day now sorry you know. Hey, and as me say church you know was born on that day. Yes. And the day of Pentecost we were given power to become that.
Yes.
The day Jesus died and rose was the day Christians were born. Was the day the church was born. So church now what you say, hey, yeah, so you nyamia, oh ya mani. Bibia me to oh nyankopon once, oh no body from. No, nyankopon on ni Yesu. Sana nyankopon say no. Sana wa say no. So obi a obetumi wu asore no, ono na akọ nyankopon tiga. Munjini bi na mba nyankwa. Hwa a sua for long. Yes, we saw Sanas. It means for me, I'm not turning up at those moonies coming from Mobile. You first have a butter with Sinko for. She tears of Christ ministry this time with Sinko for. Usika say, Mamma, reverse it on Qua. On the bush you for Boca. Who don't fancy me? Who call fear? Near say of Uncle Mau. So until we shall be a first coming for Gusio. No, he's come at all. That is all we are mine. Who small for? Na ofankoma ono wensa ene na mpom epoma ho bu okwa ya na fie kwa ya chinaba
alias Mensa. Of Ankromo alias Mensa. O brand wa yen fe kwan. Wo rufi mo a me apente abusuafie. Yesu wo sorry. What ya say? Wa me yankwa wa ponti fie. O so aji Yesu. O je ndi debe. Wo mo mu ji Yesu ada de. Hwa onkofo no ti sase bu no. Na Thomas Kwade what doubt to as a what the bit no was. So on Hebrew from no. On passes a bit mu sorry on your name say another. Na Yesu sorry also convince one. Yes. Thomas or doubt to ya e man be anything. Doubting Thomas. Yesu na the yin what it Thomas. Show and was sorry and Thomas my Lord and my God. A few of Thomas. When a man performed now, we see yes, was a 1 year. Because yes, who sorry I did Kimwa. He said you couldn't have put him. Sao can that be? No, yes, was a model America. Near could just the pastor what did Lutu. American Lutu. If you continue was for them, or Tom was for them. Yes, we was sorry. Lotto. No, be a ton assassin. So Peter Pacho, ye, dear Quanamo, and was I say. Oh, mbro no cotton put up just scanning now. Or being a target and one rogue. Somebody be young answer. Young me see yes, woman sorry. Yeah, life. Every achina. What was sorry? One more yes, who sorry and I'm mutility. Do you know how they became so strong? Now, not a 7 more, yet sin a walk on. Now, all pretty. Yes, what was sorry? That ah, yes, we was yeah, vampire. How's that partnership got to link? What link does it get to do with the resurrection of Jesus? How long will you judge unjustly? So after the resurrection of Jesus, 3 destinations have been opened for you. Before the resurrection of Jesus, lake of fire and hell. Hell and lake of fire was open for all Gentiles. The resurrection of Jesus after it, those that believe in the lake of fire and hell have been cancelled. And come on, and the kids of Libya were we inside, and now you need lake of fire and can be. Yampon. Was there any quotation? I love child them so, efficiency. In my young kind, Ephesians 5:22. Ephesians 5:22.
Ephesians 5:22.
How to come?
No. No.
Tim. What it is?
Momra mo wasi.
Am I?
Mamu aramu kulum. Said ya mo yama urade.
10 years. And the Teresa Mawarano. And on what you pay $5,000. Me, Majuma say. And I said, you talk. The mouse say, Fabra, where they?
I was there.
I was say you are commanded to bring it. I didn't know the money. Shall you Lord, are you? Didn't know the money. Because I am your Lord. And I was saying, maybe Lord, no. Maybe Lord, Daniel. Menya Lord Magana Bank of Ghana. Bank of Ghana, penny or a Lord. Menya Lord and Magana Finance Ministry. Finance Minister, why a Lord? Menya Lord and Ma Ebia Jabbing Kruno. But me a Lord that be Jenya Popana. What can you?
I don't know. Momra mo wasi mamu aramuku.
Momra mo wasi mamu ankasa muku.
Samu ya meradi.
Samu ya mahai. Etim samire discard mami o samu ya hwan.
Meradi.
O samu ya hwan.
Meradi.
To hwan na ma wo yera. Wo yere de wonye bibia. Hwan na ma ukuru de wonye Lord no. Ti tambe de Nyankopon hwe asa no de be mama.
Lord.
Be ma no Nyankopon hu sa bam te odu jamene. Some of them amount. To give it how many years? No wonder, no, I want the first one, no 500 years.
I can buy it.
So I don't be answer what me o change na company. What's it? Nanga debe. Ani na company sa. Ana ne dey ni. Ko bu akwa ba ha me tam. Na say e tam ya mare o.
E di ko ya.
Na say ke ngore.
ɔnsua ɔmfama hwɛ obi atuma pepa saa quotation wɔ afiri hɔ na Abigail n'ani agye me ho ara because my masters ɛdeɛ kɔ heaven n'ani otumi hɛ me nipa dua sa te sɛ de sista bi ka bɛrima ana ha ɔwɔ abɔto sɛ n'ɛyɛ no fɛ ɛnwi hell wanane o ɛnwi
Bariada.
ɛnwi yɛreda na ɔhwɛ bɛrima no anim nwi na bɛrima no ne ti tadwaa sɛdeɛ Although take your can take your day. Bɛrima paa na ne ho fɛ sɛ ɔbaa bɛrima yi deɛ ɛsi sɛ wokunu deɛ ne ho fɛ wo yɛ abɛ ne so yie ɔwɔ Why?
No woman.
So I won't say the way we did it yesterday. Papa. Bo. Almost on one thing. Ah, just a normal. No one thing. Wait. Wait. Pano. Na me cry me nya wo bi an ho fe o. No, why alute? Test. Now you can become God. So we believe Jesus. And then when we believe him, he will release the Holy Spirit to us. The essence is that he's going to mold us into the image of God. And there is no two ways. There's only one way. There is no true God. There is only one way. Oh, I told you to oh, you need to go back. And the stuff here different. If really we assume you go back, for example, wow, Unuku, Mumaya one bank account and I'm only different. I didn't say. When you are imagining back, I'm imagining a back of the whistle for the whistle for. Remember, you are a banana this car. I was in Yansa. I want them more, eh? And then you read. And then you read.
Me de bercer radiant